If you put aluminum foil on your arm, what happens the next day will shock you. People are delighted with it, and today, I'm going to explain to you why. If you thought aluminum foil could only be used in the kitchen, you are wrong. I really want to know where you are following this video from, tell me. Did you know that, in addition to keeping your sandwich warm and protecting the rest of the Sunday lasagna platter, aluminum foil has several other functions? Also tell me which functions with aluminum foil you know and use in your house. This product was created in Switzerland at the end of the last century and soon became popular around the world, initially used to wrap chocolates and other food items, thanks to its thermal insulation power. Its many uses are: seal plastic bag. When you buy a product, chocolate, beans, and don't use everything in the package, instead of leaving the package open or putting a clothespin, you can count on the help of aluminum foil. For this, you will need a piece of aluminum foil and an iron. The package will be completely sealed. Another wonderful tip is to save energy by ironing clothes. Do you get tired of ironing? Next time, cover your ironing board with aluminum foil, leaving the shiny side of the paper facing up. The aluminum foil will reflect the heat, so you'll only need to iron one side, because the other side will be smooth. Another tip is, retire the thread sealing tape. If the nut or bolt doesn't fit during a build, wrap it in aluminum foil. This paper will make the required pressure for them to be stuck. Another cool tip is to remove furniture with ease. To do this, you only need to put a piece of aluminum foil under the furniture feet and drag them. Won't let your furniture scratch the floor, and easy sliding too. You can also wrap fruit in aluminum foil. If you don't want to put it in the fridge, just do that and it will keep for much longer. Now I will explain to you why wrap aluminum foil around the arm. Simply to relieve muscle pain. Paper has great heating power, so it helps relieve pain much faster. This can be done because the heat generated by the body stays in contact with the skin for much longer. Aluminum foil traps this heat and conducts it. You can apply it to any area of your body, providing results in many muscle joints and helping with healing. Wrap the paper around your arm and leave it overnight or repeat for 7 days until the pain subsides. Hope you enjoyed these tips. Today's message is in Proverbs chapter 16 verse 21. He who has a wise heart is known as an understanding person. The nicer his words, the more you can convince others. The wise Solomon advises us to have pleasant words in our mouth, as this will help us in our ability to convince. Whenever you need to argue with someone, use pleasant words and speak with a more positive perspective on things, and you will act wisely. Until the next video. Bye bye.